Hello everyone, this is Deep from Gestisoft. Welcome to a new video on Copilot AI. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Copilot in Dynamics 365 Sales, and we are going to also talk a little bit about the sales agent. So today's demo is all about how you can use AI and Copilot to help you in your sales process so that you can have better information about your clients and your prospects and close deals more efficiently. So first, what we've got here is we've got like a chain of email exchanges between a potential client and a sales rep. And so you can see there are a lot of emails that are already attached in that chain. So if you want to have a summary of that email, you will see up here we've got the option to have a summary by Copilot, which you can click on and you will see that Copilot is going to summarize the email for you and is going to capture essential details such as stakeholders, needs, the timing, and more information that you can have here in the summary. Now, let's say we want to move ahead and we want to go on sales. So we are going to click on go to sales and you will see we are still in Microsoft Outlook, but on your right there is a small chat box that have been opened here where you can see that you have all of the information in Dynamics 365. Now, there is also a recommendation here to add another person as a contact with the client and the company that we are currently dealing because that person has been added into the email chain. So it just makes sense that you are going to add that person as a new contact. So you can see here we've got the button to add contact. So we can just click on that and you will see that Copilot is going to pre-fill all of the information field for you. So the job title, the name, the email, company, phone number, and so on. And once you are happy with that, you can go ahead and click on save. And you can also save this email. What this will do is this is going to save and link this email to Dynamics 365 sales records. Now, what you can also see is you can now scroll and save any information that you've got about this particular client so that you have everything updated with recent information. So on your right again, you can see here there are different attachments and different client. So once you are happy with that, you can click on save and you will see here it has already done all the work for you in terms of the summary, the contact details, and any other attachment that had to do with that client. And so you now have access to any updated information in Dynamics 365 records directly from your Outlook. So we are going to reply all of them. And you can see here, once I do that, you have a draft with Copilot at the bottom here, which you can use to again help you with your email. So let's say you want to reply to an inquiry, you can click on that and you will see here that Copilot has already written the inquiry for you, which you can scroll and read. You can also choose to change any aspect of the email if you want to. Now, once you do, you can click on keep it and you can also schedule with Copilot. So when you click on schedule here, you will see we can schedule a meeting with the client and Copilot is going to take your agenda and create requests for you. So once this is done, you can click on send. Another thing that I wanted to also talk about is how we can collaborate on Teams with the deals. So right now, let's say you have a channel on Teams which is about deals. And so what you can do is you can start posts up here and you can then scroll to see all of the deals that are available at the moment. And you click on the one that you are currently working on, and Copilot is going to do a summary for you that is going to be added to the chat here that you can see. Now, if you click on the Copilot for Sales on your tab here, you will see that Copilot will send you an automatic reminder about 1 hour before every meeting that you've got with a client to ensure that you are well prepared and ready for the meeting. So you can see here you've got information about the participants and any recent communication that you've had with the client. So you can also open the meeting straight up here. Now, let's say after the meeting, you want to keep on exploring this opportunity with the client. You will see here on the right, Copilot has taken notes in the meeting that you can go through. And you can also come into the sales tab. So once you come into the sales tab up here, you will see that we've got any suggested follow-ups that have been created by Copilot following the meeting. And so you can see up here, for instance, you've got a task to create a PowerPoint deck for the product. So you can click on create task, and Copilot is then going to create the task for you in Dynamics 365. So you can go ahead and click on create, and you can also draft an email. So let's say here you want to draft an email to the meeting participants. You can click on draft email, and Copilot is going to again do the copy of the email for you automatically. Now you can also choose to open it in Outlook web so that you then have access to the email in your Microsoft Outlook, and again read it, and if you are happy with it, you can go ahead and send it. So now the next thing is, let's say you go into your settings and you go into the opportunities, and you can see here Copilot has already made sure that all of the details about that specific client is clearly written down. You can also go on the Copilot chat or Copilot tab here in Microsoft Dynamics 365, so you have access to Copilot directly where you can ask questions and do other work right here itself. So let's say you want to see your pipeline at the moment. So as you can see, we already have some props that have been made for us at the top. You can go ahead and click on that, and Copilot is going to have the information for you right here. Now, let's say you want to summarize anything. You can go ahead and click on summarize, for instance, for this one, and you can see that Copilot is then going to use the information that has again been existing in your Microsoft ecosystem to have the summary of the opportunity for you here. Now, once you are definitely happy about that, you can click on send. Now, another thing that I also wanted to say is you can come ahead here and write anything that you want in the chat as well and send that message to again interact with Copilot and save time. So what we're going to do, let's say we want to see the opportunity of this client, then Copilot is going to take us straight to the opportunity here. And as you can see, we also have Sales Accelerator that has been implemented in our Dynamics 365 platform. And the Sales Accelerator is really great because it's going to come and provide a predictive opportunity score using AI to help you prioritize any prospects that are likely to convert into wins. So as you can see here, we've got a 91 opportunity score, which is a grade a good one. And we also have the Copilot chat open here where you can again get any answer about that specific opportunity. Now, let's say you want to get the latest news for this account, you can go ahead and click on that, and it will again show you any information that is related to that. Now, let's say you want to see any product related files. Again, you can go ahead and do that, and it will give you a list of all the attachments that are pertaining to the specific opportunity that you have at the moment. Now, what you can also do is you can go into your email. So let's say you want to email that specific client, you can click on email here, and it will open for you Microsoft Outlook, where you can again choose to draft with Copilot. So you can click on generate. You will see that the email has been generated. You can also choose to adjust the tone and the length of the message if you want to. And once you are happy with it, you can keep it and send the email directly. Now, once this is done, you will see here you can also prepare for any sales appointment. And what I've created here on Copilot, I just send a prompt, and then Copilot is going to let me know any of the future touch points that I have with the prospect, and then how I can better prepare myself for any of the meetings. So that was it, guys. It was just a big overview on how you can use Microsoft Copilot in Dynamics 365 sales. So we've seen how we can use it in Microsoft Outlook, on Microsoft Teams, and as well as Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM, and how all of these information are connected to help you save time and ensure that you have the big full picture before you interact with the prospect at any moment in time. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.